Solar windows are a game-changing technology that could revolutionize the way we generate and use energy in buildings. Imagine windows that not only provide natural light and ventilation, but also generate electricity from the sun's rays. These innovative windows have the potential to significantly reduce energy bills, improve energy efficiency, and lower our carbon footprint. By harnessing the power of photovoltaic technology, solar windows can convert sunlight into clean, renewable energy that can be used to power our homes, offices, and even vehicles. In this blog post, we will explore the benefits, workings, types, considerations, and applications of solar windows, and show how this remarkable technology is leading the way towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. Solar windows are essentially windows that are designed to generate electricity from sunlight using photovoltaic technology. They are made by embedding solar cells into the glass or film of the window, which allows them to absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. This electricity can then be used to power appliances and devices, or it can be stored for later use. Solar windows come in various types, including passive, active, and semi-transparent, and can be installed in both residential and commercial buildings. They are a promising alternative to traditional solar panels, as they can be integrated into the building's design and do not require additional space on the roof or ground. With solar windows, buildings can generate clean, renewable energy while also reducing their carbon footprint and energy bills. Solar windows are made by incorporating solar cells into the glass or film of the window. These solar cells, also known as photovoltaic cells, are made of materials such as silicon or thin-film semiconductors, and they absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. The solar cells are connected to an inverter, which converts the direct current DC electricity generated by the solar cells into alternating current AC electricity that can be used to power appliances and devices. Photovoltaic technology is the key technology behind solar windows. It involves the conversion of sunlight into electricity by using solar cells made of semiconductor materials. When sunlight strikes the solar cell, it excites the electrons in the semiconductor material, causing them to move and generate an electric current. This current can be used immediately, stored in a battery, or fed into the grid for later use. The efficiency of solar windows depends on the type of semiconductor material used, the amount of sunlight available, and the orientation and location of the windows. Solar windows can generate electricity during the day when the sun is shining. But what happens when the sun goes down or on cloudy days? This is where energy storage comes in. The electricity generated by solar windows can be stored in batteries for later use, allowing buildings to use solar energy even when the sun is not shining. Energy storage can also help buildings reduce their reliance on the grid and avoid peak electricity prices. The most common types of energy storage for solar windows are lithium-ion batteries and flow batteries. Benefits of solar windows. One of the main benefits of solar windows is the potential for reduced energy bills. By generating electricity from sunlight, buildings can reduce their reliance on the grid and lower their electricity bills. In some cases, solar windows can even generate more electricity than the building needs, allowing excess energy to be fed back into the grid and potentially earning credits on the owner's electricity bill. Solar windows can also improve the energy efficiency of buildings by reducing the need for artificial lighting and ventilation. By allowing natural light to enter the building, solar windows can reduce the need for electric lighting and improve the quality of indoor lighting. Additionally, some solar windows can be designed to allow for natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning and improving indoor air quality. Solar windows are an eco-friendly alternative to traditional energy sources because they generate electricity from a renewable source, the sun. By using solar energy, buildings can reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable environment. Installing solar windows can increase the value of a property by improving its energy efficiency and reducing its energy bills. Additionally, solar windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a building, particularly if they are designed to complement the building's architecture. Overall, solar windows offer numerous benefits that can save money, improve energy efficiency, reduce carbon emissions, and increase property value. As the cost of solar technology continues to decrease, solar windows are becoming an increasingly attractive option for buildings looking to go green and save money. Passive solar windows. Passive solar windows are designed to maximize the amount of sunlight that enters a building while minimizing heat loss. They typically have a high solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, and a low U factor. which means they allow a lot of solar radiation to enter the building but prevent heat from escaping. Passive solar windows are ideal for buildings in cold climates, as they can help reduce heating costs by using natural sunlight to heat the building. Active solar windows. Active solar windows are designed to generate electricity from sunlight using photovoltaic technology. They typically have a lower SHGC and a higher U factor than passive solar windows, as they are designed primarily to generate electricity rather than heat. Active solar windows can be integrated into the building's electrical system, allowing the electricity they generate to be used immediately, stored in batteries, or fed back into the grid. Semi-transparent solar windows. Semi-transparent solar windows are a hybrid of passive and active solar windows designed to provide both natural lighting and electricity generation. They typically have a moderate SHGC and U factor, allowing them to let in natural light while also generating electricity. Semi-transparent solar windows can be a good option for buildings looking to reduce their reliance on electric lighting while also generating clean energy. Overall, the type of solar window that is best for a particular building will depend on its location, climate, and energy needs. Passive solar windows are best for buildings in cold climates, while active solar windows are best for buildings in sunny locations that need to generate electricity. Semi-transparent solar windows can be a good option for buildings looking to balance natural lighting and electricity generation. Solar windows have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and consume electricity. As the technology continues to develop and become more cost-effective, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption of solar windows in the future. Here are a few potential impacts of solar windows in the years to come. The widespread adoption of solar windows could help to significantly increase the use of renewable energy sources. By generating electricity from sunlight, solar windows could reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and help to reduce carbon emissions. Solar windows can also improve the energy efficiency of buildings and vehicles by reducing the amount of energy needed for lighting and cooling. This could help to reduce energy costs and make buildings and vehicles more sustainable. The development of solar windows is also likely to drive innovation in building design. Architects and builders may begin to incorporate solar windows into their designs, creating buildings that generate their own electricity and are more energy efficient. As solar windows become more widely adopted, we can expect to see new business opportunities arise. Companies that manufacture and install solar windows will likely see increased demand for their products and services, creating new jobs and driving economic growth. Solar windows offer a promising solution to our energy and sustainability challenges, but it will take the concerted effort of individuals, businesses, and governments to make the widespread adoption of this technology a reality. In conclusion, the widespread adoption of solar windows has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and consume energy. By investing in solar window technology, supporting renewable energy policies, and raising awareness, we can help to promote the adoption of this technology and create a more sustainable future. Solar windows offer a promising solution to our energy and sustainability challenges. By generating electricity from sunlight, solar windows can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and help to reduce carbon emissions. They can also improve the energy efficiency of buildings and vehicles, create innovative building designs, and drive economic growth. While the technology is still relatively new and comes with upfront costs, the long-term benefits in terms of energy savings and reduced carbon emissions make it a wise investment. As individuals, businesses, and governments, we have a role to play in promoting the adoption of solar windows. By investing in solar window technology, supporting renewable energy policies, and raising awareness, we can help to drive demand for this technology and promote its widespread adoption. The future of solar windows is bright. With the continued innovation and support, we can create a more sustainable and energy-efficient world.